Hey everyone, and welcome to your front row seat for a revolution in electric luxury, the 2024 BMW i7. Forget everything you thought you knew about electric sedans, because the i7 isn't just a car, it's a statement that says you demand the pinnacle of performance, technology, and comfort, all wrapped in a head-turning, bold design. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's peel back the hood, or should I say, the charging port, and see what makes the i7 tick. We've got three powertrains to choose from, starting with the eDrive 50, a single-motor rear-wheel drive beast offering up a cool 449 horsepower and a range that stretches the horizon at over 300 miles. If that's not enough juice for your electric appetite, buckle up for the xDrive 60. This dual-motor all-wheel drive powerhouse churns out 536 horses, launching you from 0 to 60 in a neck-snapping 4.5 seconds while still whispering efficiency with a 318-mile range. But wait, there's more. For the adrenaline junkies out there, BMW unleashes the i7 M70. This is the electric M-badge you've been waiting for, folks. 650 horsepower, 0 to 60 in a mind-bending 3.5 seconds, and a range that, while slightly reduced, still lets you carve up the asphalt with a grin plastered across your face. Now, let's step inside. The i7's cabin is a symphony of leather, panoramic sunroofs, and enough screens to make Tony Stark jealous. The BMW curved display takes center stage, stretching across the dashboard like a digital horizon, while a giant touchscreen in the back keeps your rear seat passengers entertained, or working, if they must. And oh, the seats, plush, heated, ventilated, and massaging your worries away with every twist and turn. But the i7 isn't just about luxury and tech, it's about safety too. Level 2 driver assistance systems come standard, keeping you and your loved ones safe on every journey. And for the ultimate in VIP treatment, the optional executive lounge seating in the back transforms your ride into a first-class airline experience. So, is the 2024 BMW i7 the perfect electric luxury sedan? Well, that's for you to decide. But one thing's for sure, it's a game changer. It's a glimpse into the future of electric mobility. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the future of luxury. I'm your host, your name, and until next time, remember, drive safe, drive electric, and drive the future.